Let us learn the append method in Python. We are using Jupyter Notebook, which can be downloaded and installed from anaconda.org. Suppose A is a tuple of 3 elements, where the second element of the tuple is a list, containing 2 elements. The indices of a list, or a tuple, start from 0, such as 0, 1, 2, up to n. Therefore, the index of the first element is 0, the index of the second element is 1, and so on. Now, we can also verify whether A is a tuple or not, by typing type, then within first bracket type the name assigned to the tuple and run the cell. Similarly, we can also verify whether the element at the index position 1 of the tuple is a list or not, by typing type, then within first bracket type the name assigned to the tuple, and then within third bracket we have to type the index position of the list here, that is 1. Then, run the cell. Now, we want to add an element, 5, to the list which itself is at the index position, 1, of the tuple, A. For this, type A, then within third bracket, type the index position, 1, then, append. Then within first bracket, type the element that we want to add to the existing list, that is 5. Then, run. Then, we can verify the updated tuple by typing print A.